Okay, just going to do a quick unboxing for my shave for Friday. And so this is from, I think it's pronounced Sweyn Forkbeard. And it's a soap that's made in the United Kingdom. I've already cut it, so we'll just go straight in for a quicker video. There we have what looks like a business card. Oh, cool sticker. Everyone loves a sticker. It's true. And this would be a get to know us card, I'd imagine. And here in this wooden box is the shave soap. Maybe I have to take it out. Now I'm just... I see. So there it is. So mango and papaya luxury shaving soap. So I'm looking forward to getting into that. A great soap to have here in the southern summer. Okay, I'll see you on Friday.